Hi, this is Bradley Bush. Today we're going to talk about finding the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest degree of all of the terms in the polynomial. So the first thing you do is you look at each of the terms and you decide what the degree is for each of those terms. Once you've found that, the largest of all of those is the degree of your polynomial. So let's look at example 1 right here. So the first term has 3 as its highest power. The second term has 2 as its highest power. The third term in example 1 has a 1 as its highest power. And the last term can be considered to have a degree of 0. So which of these is the biggest? Well, it's this one right here. So if we look back at this, we would say that this degree, or this polynomial right here, has degree 3. If we look at example number 2, we look at, again, each term. Term 1 has a 1 there on the x, a 1 on the y. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So if you have more than one variable, then you add each of the exponents together of all of the variables. Term 2 has a 2 and the y has a 1. So together that gives us 3, and the last term has a 1 on the x and a 3 on the y. So if we add those together, we get 4. So which of all of those is the biggest? Well, it's 4 in exercise 2. So the degree of the polynomial in exercise 2 is the largest degrees of all the terms, and that is a 4. So this is a degree 4 polynomial. One final note, a polynomial that just has a constant, it's said to have degree 0, for the same reason that this term right here had a degree 0. If you have any questions, let me know.